Introducing Cricut direct-to-film transfers. These DTF transfers give you vibrant, full-color designs that feel soft and move naturally on a variety of fabrics. Explore our curated templates or customize with images, text, uploads, and tools. When your design is ready, click Add to Cart. A browser window will open with your Cricut.com shopping cart. You can also update the quantity of each design. Once your cart looks good, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Then we'll print and ship your DTF transfers directly to you. When your transfers arrive, prepare your base material and workspace. Make sure your material is clean and dry, and position it on the pressing mat. Using the Cricut Heat Guide, find the recommended time and temperature for preheating and applying the DTF transfer. Using the recommended settings, preheat your material. Then, place the design with the color side up and cover it with a protective sheet. Apply the heat for the time and temperature recommended. If you're using Cricut Easy Press, apply firm, constant pressure. If you're using Cricut Auto Press, let the machine do the work. Don't add any extra pressure. Once pressing is complete, let the material cool completely. Then peel away the transfer sheet to reveal your design. And that's it! You've successfully applied a direct-to-film transfer.